Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are on a new week, so also meaning new theme. And this week we're going to be focused on the fishtail braid. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started. First things first, we're going to park out a section in the front to put aside for our swoop. Okay, once we finish sectioning off that front part, we're just going to go ahead and clip it so it's out of our way so we can start working on the back for our low ponytail. We are now ready to start putting the Eco Styling Gel around that back part so we can smooth down any loose hairs and just make sure that we're forming a sleek low ponytail. You want this to be as sleek as possible. Okay, we are now ready to form our ponytail at the nape of the neck. So just make sure everything is smoothed down before you start to form the ponytail in the back. You don't want any lumps going into your ponytail at this part. Once the ponytail has been formed, I just go ahead and spray some hairspray around that ponytail so I can make sure all the loose strands are smoothed down. And I just take my rat tail comb and I go through the head and I just smooth everything down just to make sure everything is sleek. Okay, we are now ready to start on the front part, our swoop. So I'm just taking that down and detangling it. And I will actually be using my flat iron to do this process. Please use your heat protectant anytime you put heat on your hair. That does protect your hair. So as you see me doing here, I am putting the heat protectant on. And then I will be using the flat iron to go ahead and form that swoop. Once I form that swoop, I go ahead and take a hair clip and put it towards that bend part as you see here, just so as I'm putting the rest of the hair into that ponytail, I do not lose the form of my swoop. Alright, we are now ready to add that end part of the swoop into the ponytail. And I do this by just taking a small rubber band and just putting around the ponytail that we've already created. Okay, we are now ready to add the braiding hair to our ponytail. I will be taking this braiding hair and using the rubber band that the bundle comes on and attaching that to the ponytail. Once I attach it to the ponytail, you will see that I actually move the bundle of hair to the top part of the ponytail so that the hair is laying over my actual ponytail, as you see here. So that way when I get ready to do my fishtail, that part will be covered by the actual braiding hair. Then I will take a piece of the braiding hair and pull it off to the side, because I will be using that as the wraparound piece to cover the rubber band and also to connect the braiding hair to the actual ponytail of our hair. Okay, we are now ready to start our fishtail braid. First things first, we're going to split the hair into 2 equal parts. You want this to be as equal as possible because this will determine the evenness of the fishtail braid as you begin the process. So once you have put your hair into 2 equal parts, you're going to pull from one of the parts and cross it over to the other, as you'll see me do here in just a second. And that's one part. And then you'll cross it to the other section of the hair that was pulled apart. Then you want to take from the section that you just pulled that hair to, and you always want to start from behind because then that will form the overlook of the fishtail. And then you want to cross it to the opposite side, and you will continue that process on all the way to the end. So you'll see me do that process here again, and I'll just continue that all the way to the end of the hair. Okay, now that we reached the end of the fishtail braid, you want to go ahead and secure the end off with a rubber band. This way the fishtail will not unravel. Once I've secured it off, you'll see me here in a minute. Go ahead and spray down with some hairspray just to smooth down any loose ends or hair that may be sticking out. And as you can see, here is what the fishtail braid looks like. Okay guys, we are pretty much done with this look. I'm just adding a few finishes touches on the hair. I will be doing a 360 view so you can see the entire thing. So if anyone have any questions, concerns, or comments, you know to reach me on any of my social media pages below. Don't forget to check out my website, and I'll see you guys soon.